thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be covering some LED interior lights. If you have some LED interior lights in your truck, go ahead and drop a comment below of what you have and why you like them. If I don't like these, I'm going to have to change them out, and I don't really know what I should go with. I got these off Google, so in a second here we're going to go unbox these. We're going to install them in the truck. It's really cold outside right now. I think it's -10 and it real feels like -25, -30, so that's why we're inside doing this unboxing. But first, the giveaway. We're done. Saturday, the last day. From now until Saturday is your last chance to get entered to win that giveaway. One of you is going to go ahead and get a message from me on Instagram. All you have to do is like the photo or the video on Instagram that pertains to the giveaway. Follow me on Instagram and be subscribed to the channel. That being said, I'll see you in a little bit and I'll leave you with the giveaway video. Like the video says, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, like the video or the post pertaining to the giveaway, and you're entered to win. Ending Saturday. So pay attention to that. Get entered to win. Don't miss your chance. The LED lights. Now I ordered these because mine are flickering. I'm hoping that it's just the cheap LEDs that I bought that I put in the truck that is to why they're flickering. If not, then I'm going to have to replace the sockets, but like I said, hopefully this can do it. I ordered these from Precision LED, and supposedly they're pretty good. They were not cheap. I think they were about $100 for these, you know. So it comes with a plastic tool remover kit. Supposedly, we'll see inside here. Like I said, I haven't opened these up. It's about what I'm assuming it's something real cheap and chintzy. So hopefully these LEDs are good. And like I said, drop a comment below if you have LEDs on the interior vehicles. I'd like to know if you're pleased with them or what you went with. I didn't really find much online, so I need some help here. If these don't work out, I need to find something. So let's go ahead and get these unboxed and then get them installed. Take a flat blade screwdriver. There's gonna be a spot in here where you can just kind of pop this lens on out. All right. Now this is one of the LEDs that is flickering. Now I'm not impressed with these ones at all either. So like I said, leave a comment below and let me know. As they're running, they're pretty much the same exact style. This is the old one, and I'm not impressed with it. Like I said, it flickers like crazy. It doesn't look like there's any corrosion on there. So I'm hoping this fixes it. Looks like I don't have any flickering, so we'll see. I'll get you guys a picture of this at night. So alright, so the dome light, flat blade screwdriver again. This will kind of just slide down, and then you can see these LEDs. They're a little bit different. Can't really tell. You know, you can and you can't. Like, you can see there's LEDs in it, but they don't really tell you which way it should be directional. So I'll pop these out, put these new ones in. Now if you're wondering what I currently have are the ones that I'm taking out. The ones that I'm taking out are the Op 7 ones. I actually don't think you can even buy them anymore, but it's actually terrible purchase on my part. So I'm really hoping these turn out for me. If they don't, Well, I guess I'm gonna be still in a search. The brightness on them kind of actually had me a little surprised. The quality, who knows? I will do a follow-up with you guys. You know, those 1 month reviews. At the beginning of each month, I'll go ahead and give you guys a follow-up on those specific interior LEDs. Just like I said, let me know in the comments below what you guys have, because I don't have a lot of faith in these. Stay tuned for next week. We're going to be doing some tire odds. Follow me on Instagram. You'll see which ones I got. You know what? It's your last chance. Saturday night, the giveaway is done. So all you have to do, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and like either the video or the post in regards to the giveaway, and you're entered to win. That's all you have to do. So go ahead and make sure you do that. I'm going to leave you guys for the very last time of that giveaway video, and have yourselves a great weekend. I look forward to seeing you next week.